Hi guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're watching this video from. Welcome to another video this morning guys. I'm going to prepare some beetroot and carrot with ginger and a little sugar and a lemon juice. Let me get my lemon juice from the fridge. This is what I'm going to use in my beetroot and carrot guys, lemon juice. So guys, today is my anniversary, my 16-year anniversary guys, and we are 16 and 7, 23 years together. My husband is gone to work today, so I'm going to prepare some beetroot and carrot juice so we can have it with our dinner later on this evening. In the morning, I rather to make my juice in the morning, so when I start working, I don't have to stop to make my juice, because you guys, you know that I make my own juice. So I'm gonna do some beetroot and carrot juice this morning. I want you guys to stay with me, watch the video, give the video a like. If you haven't subscribed as yet, you can also subscribe. My husband also have a YouTube channel guys, Cash Money Promotion 345. You can go over there and check him out. Also check out Miss Little Hot Kitchen guys, over there in Portland in Jamaica. She's in Jamaica guys, doing a wonderful job. She's cooking for the elderly, and she's doing a fantastic job in Jamaica guys. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Yes guys, I finished doing the blending. Now I'm going to strain. I'm going to strain it in this strainer first, and then I'm going to use this fine one. This one, I got this one from Jamaica the other day, so I'm going to strain now. Now I'm going to strain this one. Continue with the process until we are all done. Guys, we're gonna try to get some more from our carrots. I left the one that is strained already. I put some more water on this. I get the water from the fountain there, the drinking water, and I'm gonna strain this one more time, and then it is ready to sweeten. shake it one more time. That over there is ready for sweetening. I'm gonna strain this one more time. You see I put these gloves on. I'm gonna use my hand to squeeze it so I can get more from it. I don't just want to use the spoon and throw it away. I can get a little more juice from this. So that's what I'm doing. Trying to get some more juice from this trash. You have the beetroot in there, guys. You don't want to put your hand in there and make a mess. So you put your gloves on and squeeze. I'm going to continue with this process until we are done. And I'll come back and show you how much juice I get from this. Jug of juice. It was a jug of water, and now we got 1 jug of juice, guys. This is what I got from the trash, guys. I strain it once. I'm gonna strain it again through this strainer. And then we're gonna mix. This strainer, guys. This strainer is it's so fine. That's how easy it is to make your own juice, guys. Now we're gonna put everything in this container and mix it. So we're gonna mix it now, guys. So we have lot of drink we have right here. A lot of drink. We don't have to go to the supermarket to buy any juice. So we're gonna start off with 3 scoops. Buy this sugar scoop. I'm gonna start off with 3 scoops of sugar. 3 small scoops. This is like half quarter scoop, quarter cup. And less than quarter cup of sugar, guys. This is less than quarter. It doesn't have a measurement on it, but I'm going to try to use a whole cup. Like full this with sugar and put it in a cup and see how much. I put 3 scoops in there. I'm gonna try it. This is 1 cup. I'm gonna try to see how much sugar I'm putting in my juice. So this is half. This is 1, sorry, 2, 3 cups. 3 of this small cup is 1 cup of sugar, so I use a cup of sugar. That's not bad. 1 cup of sugar. Let's see how it tastes with 1 cup of sugar. Now I know, guys, a little scoop is 3 scoops is equal to 1 cup. I'm also going to use this cup to measure the lemon juice. I'm going to use half cup first and see how it tastes. And then I put more. If you need more, I put it. So this is half cup of lemon juice. 1 cup of sugar, half cup of lemon juice. And you see the pan I'm making it in. Let's try it down and see what this tastes. I'm gonna put some more lemon juice, guys. So I'm gonna use 1 cup of lemon. Put half more cup. So we use 1 cup of lemon juice. I'm gonna use 1.5 cup of sugar because they need more sugar. So 1 cup of lemon juice and 1.5 cup of sugar. This should be it, guys. So we are all finished mixing our juice, guys. And we use 1.5 cup of sugar, 1 cup of lemon juice, and the juice is good. It's ready to drink. I'm gonna put some in this and put it in the freezer. I'm gonna put in the next container for us to drink. So I'm gonna fill this one for the freezer. Freeze it. When you're ready to drink it, you take it out. That's how I do it, guys. I don't just put everything in the fridge. I have this bottle. I usually just pull this one and put it in the freezer. And the rest is to go in the fridge so we can just drink whenever time we want something to drink. Guys, please leave a comment and let me know what you think about this juice, beetroot and carrot. Don't want to put any more because it's gonna freeze. Let me know what you think about this juice, guys, and let me know if this is the way you make your beetroot and carrot juice, or you cook it, because you can also cook the carrot and the beetroot, but that one is kind of too heavy for me, guys. I'd rather to just blend it. At times, if I feel like I'll cook the carrot and the Irish and make juice, but I'd rather to have it this way. It's not too heavy. This is just right for me. So we're gonna put our juice in the fridge. Let me taste some. Guys, it tastes so good. That is why I like to make my own juice, because I know what I put in it, how much sugar, how much lime or lemon juice, and I know what the type of water I use. So thanks for watching, guys. If it's the first time you're coming across this channel, please give the video a like. This is my juice. Please give the video a like, guys, and also comment and let me know what you think about this juice. Thanks for watching, guys.